Changing the email link to your Capital One account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app and log in using your username and password. Ensure you have access to your current email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name at the top of the page. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email address. Step 4. Enter your new email address. Input your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes and verify. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your email address linked to your Capital One account will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.